Naivasha is fast turning into a major logistical hub following the completion of a number of projects, including the standard gauge railway, power lines from the Olkaria geothermal power plant, and roads, among others. The Special Economic Zone has already attracted the eye of both local and international investors, with more than 100 companies planning to set up their base in their 1,000 acres of the industrial park. Among the major investors include Osirian Two Lakes Industrial Park, which is a 150-hectare sustainable industrial development on the southern banks of Lake Naivasha. Other companies include textiles and apparel, agri-processing, light industrial and logistics services. To accommodate the increased demand, the industrial park will also expand its core infrastructure, water storage capacity, and cheap and reliable renewable energy from existing solar and geothermal power plants. A multi-million shillings water purification system has been completed, which is expected to supply water to the industrial park and the surrounding areas. A granite manufacturing company is planning to launch its operations later this week. The government is urging investors to take advantage of the preferential tax terms on offer at the special economic zones to set up their operations in the park. Reporting for Prime Edition, I am Nduta Mokami.